welcome back to my channel. Okay, exciting news today. After waiting months and months and months to order the conspiracy palette from Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star, I finally got one. I finally got one. It's been out of stock pretty much since the day they launched, and they were supposed to do like a restock, like a huge restock for March. Jeffree and Shane decided, let's do a secret one and not really tell a whole lot of people about it. So hours after they restocked, they put it on Twitter and told everybody, hey, little restock. I sat in checkout for almost an hour waiting just to like get my spot to get it. There were so many people on the website when I ordered. It was absolutely ridiculous. So finally it went through. I did the order, got it all. Awesome. I ordered it like 5 days ago. And it's here. So it's like less than a week and it's here. It's pink! Now it's time to open. By the way, in case you guys are noticing, I'm wearing my Shane Dawson shirt. Time to open the box. Okay guys. Here it is, ready? Okay. Oh my god! Okay, like I've seen pictures, but like actually having it in person, this is like the best thing in the whole world. Oh my god. I've been a fan of Shane Dawson my whole life. Like my whole fucking childhood, that's who I watched. I used to sneak out of my bedroom at night to go on the family computer to watch his videos, and my mom would catch me and yell at me. Okay. Oh. Alright guys, moment of truth. Ready guys? All right. Oh my god. Wow. That's like, oh my god, okay. It's one thing to watch the videos and to see it like on camera, but it's another thing to hold it and actually see it. I never thought that I would have enough money to buy this. And I have it. Like, this is the real thing. I can't stop staring at it. This will forever be my favorite fucking thing in the whole world. Like, it tells you everything, like all the ingredients. Like, it tells you literally everything. Right there, like Jeffree taught us all, there's like the little thing, and it tells you like how many months it's good, and it's 12 months. Okay, so it says right here, attention, cheese dust, sleep paralysis, food videos, my pills, Trisha, not a fact, flaming hot, pigment are not intended for use around the immediate eye area. Okay, good to know. This is fucking cool. This is so cool. Holy shit. Normally, I don't care about, you know, packaging or anything like that, but this was done so beautifully and so nice. Like it really just, it shows that like Jeffree cares. Like he really cares about what everything looks like. I had to take a picture of this shit. Holy shit. This is just like the coolest fucking thing in the whole world. Okay. That's enough like taking pictures of it and shit. I'm so fucking excited over this. Like I really like, Alright guys. We're gonna do some swatches. See how this looks. Holy shit. Look at that. Look at that fucking sparkle. Oh my god. Oh, these are so pretty. God, Trisha is so fucking pretty. Ah, look at that. Okay guys, so now, moment of truth. Let's see what kind of look I can muster up with this. If any of you have watched my other videos, you know that all my makeup comes from like the dollar store, Walmart. So let's see what I can do with this and if I can make it look good. So this is the final look that I came up with. Don't judge my makeup skills. I don't really do this very often, and this is the first time that I've ever used fake lashes and really good makeup. So, you know, I'm actually proud of it. I'm proud of myself a little bit just because I don't do this very often. Thank you guys for watching my YouTube video, and I hope you guys liked this review of the Conspiracy palette. I really love this palette, and I'm so excited that I got it. Anyway, guys, have a good day, and I'll see you later. Bye!